Lamborghini versus Lamborghini. Like if you think this one's gonna win, and subscribe if you think that one's gonna win. 3, 2, 1! Come on! Oh, it's moving!